Today we will unbox this oxygen concentrator and set up this and see how it works and how you will use it. Now we'll set this aside. Now here is the oxygen concentrator. You will see how to set up this. Now this is the power cord and this is the main humidifying box. And this is the nebulizer kit, and you will find the manual and some filters. You won't need this for now. And here's a remote. Now place the oxygen concentrator upside down and with the screen facing upwards, and now we will cut these two ties which are under the oxygen concentrator. Now we have cut the two ties, so now we can place the oxygen concentrator straight and connect the power cord. Now we will connect this power cable to the power outlet in the back side of the oxygen concentrator. And connect this to the power source. Do not use any extension cables, connect it directly to the outlet. Now let's turn on the oxygen concentrator. So now, before turning on the oxygen concentrator, take this humidifying bottle and open the bottle. And pour in some cold pure water. So the water level should be between minimum and maximum. And now close the bottle with a cap gently and close the bottle tightly so that no air can escape, and place it here. And place the bottle here. After placing the bottle with the cold water here, now from this packet, let's take the small tube and connect this small tube on the top of this humidifying bottle. Connect it firmly so no air will escape. And now the connect other end to the engine outlet in the oxygen concentrator. Now take this tube given in the oxygen concentrator box and connect this end to the oxygen outlet in this bottle. After pouring in the cold water, tightening the cap and connecting it to the oxygen concentrator and connecting the oxygen outlet to the humidifying bottle. Now we can turn on the oxygen concentrator. Now we should press the on key here, and then you will hear the machine running. So after some time, in this oxygen outlet, so first you should wrap this oxygen outlet this way. So this is how you use the oxygen outlet valve. So the knob here is used to increase the oxygen flow rate here. So you can increase from level 1 to level 5. Now currently you can see the level is in 1.2. If you rotate it counterclockwise, you can see the flow rate increasing. So keep the oxygen concentrator in a very clean surrounding, so the oxygen purity is always near 95 to 98. So if the oxygen purity level decreases below 82, then this machine oxygen concentrator will turn off. So try to keep it in a clean environment so the purity stays high. So now I will explain you about the display screen. So totally there are 4 buttons. This is the on button, this is the flow rate adjusting knob, this is voice activating button, and this is timer plus key, and this is timer minus key. So voice activation. So if anything is wrong or if there is any fault, there will be these 3 buttons. This is alarm button, this is alarm light, this is warning light, and this is on off light. So if anything goes wrong or anything changes, there will be a voice indication. So the voice indication is on now. So to turn it off, press the voice key. Now the voice indication is off. To turn it on again, press the same key. It is on. So to set a timer, you can press the plus key. So now the timer is set to 10 minutes. So every time you press the plus key, 10 minutes is added. So to increase it fastly, press it and hold it for above 2 seconds. As you can see, now it's set to 1 hour 40 minutes. To reduce the timing, press the minus key. To rapidly reduce the timer, press and hold the key. So now there is no timer. So the maximum timing is 8 hours. You can set up to 8 hours, and after the timing is over, this machine will automatically shut down. That is the maximum timer option available in this oxygen innovator.